In this video, we're going to show you how to fix high memory, CPU or RAM usage on Windows 11, so your PC can finally calm down and run smoothly again. So one of the quickest fixes is simply checking which apps are taking a lot of resources. So simply open Task Manager, then go to Processes. From there, you then have to sort by CPU or memory. And if you spot anything heavy that you're not actually using, you can then right click on it and select End Task. Next, you then have to head over to the Startup apps in Task Manager and turn off anything you don't need launching every time your PC boots. So that alone can drop your usage a lot. It also helps to go into Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. From here, you can then uninstall programs you don't actually recognize or no longer use. And another big fix is Windows Search Indexing. So if it's chewing up CPU, simply open Services, then find Windows Search. From here, you can then restart it or set it to manual if you barely use search. So while you're in Services, simply make sure that System Main isn't causing any issues. So restarting it can also help that too. You can also check for malware or background tasks running wild. So a quick scan with Windows Security can catch anything suspicious. And don't forget to install any pending Windows updates because they often fix memory leaks and CPU spikes. So once you try these, your system should feel lighter, cooler, and way more responsive. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.